esse livro que eu fiz na escola, se chiama Il mio sogno da youtuber, e la protagonista si chiama Lucy, come te.
Uau! Come si chiama?
Lucy. Il mio sogno da youtuber.
Il mio sogno da YouTube. Quella come me!
Che è iniziato nella sua camera come te.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, can you see? Just hello guys. So guys, I'm arranging what I will wear to on Sunday. On Sunday is our 25 years anniversary, our African community here in Italy. So this is what you wear. Sorry. So this is our wrapper, our CW wrapper. They said I will tie this one, and we are going to wear white shirts. And this one we are going to use it for dancing. This one goes with leggings, we will just tie it for each way. And then the mama, maybe our model. So that's it. Everything is here now. Remember this is my leggings, it's my shopper. I'll just keep everything here. And I also bought this perfume. They said the scent is giving. Let me just open it. Okay, go to the engine. I remember the name. Like, oh, well, I got a fun spray, man. Let's see, big. Let me see it. So just let me open it together with you all. Let me see how it is inside. Well, so you guys see, is that mean that the perfume is open or what? Look at, it's almost half. Can you see? It's here. But the cap and everything is. Hey, perfume you will forever. No, Angel. How many is now? It's open. Let's see. Here is wet. No, our current perfume is almost half. Can you imagine? Hey, oh my God, it's 1 month now that I bought it. I don't want to open it. I said I will open it with you guys. Oof. I don't even like the scent like that. The scent is not giving. Let me spray it in my floor. I will give it to Angel. Angel! Come and take this perfume. I don't like it. And you're who see about since yeah. You might not the yen as in many. I also bought the sweet cheese too. Now I want to put this one here. I've already put one in my bag that I'm carrying always. You have perfume man who when they roof is ever. Guarda, tutto bagnato. Guarda. I don't even like the scent, sir. Prendi. Sto facendo il video.
You want to give it to me?
Seriously?
Like seriously?
Seriously?
What do you say? Here. Here is my tool. So this is my correct perfume. This is my perfume. How many years now? Gifted by my husband. My husband gifted me this perfume. I don't even use it. I have a lot of perfume. You know, I always use this one. Always. And there is one that costs more than this. You know. But it's only as my phone lady. Lady now where? Now where? Where is only? Children making video. This one very costly. Very costly. And the scent is good, machine. The scent is giving. Then going to 3 years now, 3 years, yeah, 3 or 4 years, 4 years, no 5 years, because I think baby made trees 5 years now. I don't know where I kept the carton. So that is it. Continue watching, guys. We'll be doing a lot today. Okay, let me show you also my new chocolates from my auntie, my dear, so Josephina. My new chocolates. You know, so I can even use it as a gold chain because it's gold, you know, all the way from Vatican. I love it so much. Maybe I will wear it on Sunday. I don't know whether I go with the shirt that I'm going to wear. I'll wear it on Sunday. This I wear on Sunday for going out. I always keep it here. Over here I have also my children's chocolates. I don't know where Anthony's on it is. Anthony, get me chocolate either. Where are we going? You're not quite from that dress.
Big Chidi from school.
No, tranquillo, va fuori. Ciao, ci vediamo. Ciao, andiamo. C'è una serenona anche.
Sì. Olha que dia da So guys, we're here also to pick ma to the ma. Listen. Vai, saluta. Saluta. Hey guys, I'm about to start, but I will not stay here. I'm so tired, so I'll be leaving her. Ciao, Anna. Guys, I also made tortellini for our lunch. This one is mine. Am I enjoying me? I said you poo forget. So guys, let me just put this here and eat this food very well. So to clean my sauce choice. This is finished. Look at it. Only adding it water because it's so thick. It's too thick.
No,
So guys, this is our dinner results for our dinner. So guys, I'm ready to go. I don't know whether you can see my shoe, just flat bone. You do not fit it, but I'll manage it like that because I'm having a leg pain. So I will wear this one. I'm supposed to use white, I know, but let me manage it since we will still change. So that's it. And I'll use this sharper because it's a little bit cold. Like this. So shall we still change? After church, we still change. So then that is it.